Now, I know you're not supposed to have a favorite child, but if I had to choose one, it would be our newest and boldest design yet, a 2022 Ram ProMaster that we call Sunny. He is bright, fun, and ready for the road. In the grand entry, you'll see our custom nightstand as well as storage for a portable camping toilet. Here's Sunny's kitchenette. You have upper storage as well as a pull-out refrigerator drawer slide. You've got a water tank for your wastewater as well as your sink and above counter storage. As with all of our rentals, you'll notice the bold custom woodwork on the decorative wall here. You'll see the custom countertops as well as custom cut window shapes.
For maximum entertainment purposes, this van is equipped with one of our signature features, a 32-inch flat screen TV on hidden drawer slides, which can be viewed from the couch. We also have an HDMI cable and charging ports in the storage system.
Go from chilling on your big comfy couch to sleeping on your 80-inch long bed in several easy steps.
Here on the roof we have our signature stargazing portal for your viewing pleasure. Moving further up, for your warmer months we have our max fan cooling system, which can provide up to 10 degrees of cooling potential. And for your really warmer months, we have our battery-powered Dometic rooftop air conditioner that can run overnight on a single charge. Right here we have our control panel with light switches, voltage monitor, and charging ports. Next to it, a very custom nautical-themed shelf system, and our signature feature on Sunny, porthole windows with accent lighting.
Up in the forward cabin here, you are equipped with a backup camera, keyless start, as well as a Bluetooth connectivity system and charging ports.
If it gets a little too sunny on the surface of your van, we have this nice 10x8 retractable awning, and it's going to provide you a lot of comfort from the sun's harmful rays.
See all the way past the horizon on our panoramic rooftop chilling deck.